right here on my phone how it can work. So you've got to download either the Genius Scan app or the Cam Scanner app to be able to use these. All right, I'm going to show you Cam Scanner first, and then I'll show you Genius Scan, because I'm going to think that most of you might want to use Cam Scanner. It seems to work the easiest there. All right, so let's see. I pull up Cam Scanner. All right, you can see I've already been scanning some things this morning. I'm going to click down here at the bottom with this circle with the plus sign, the camera and the plus sign. Now, when it initially probably comes up, it's going to have it as a single picture. But we don't want to, I mean, typically think about your work. Is your work usually just one page? Most of the time, it's multiple pages. So you want to scroll over and to where you see batch. Batch is what you want to select. Now, you're not going to be able to see me do this per se on here because I can't get my camera backed away enough. But here you can see I've got some work that I want to scan. So I'm going to take that work and I'm going to use my Cam Scanner app. I know you can't see this, but I tapped it. And then this work has a second page to it. So I'm going to scan that page. And once I've got both pages done, I know it's probably blurry for you guys, but down here, here are those two pages. See, there's the first one that I did. Or excuse me, there's the first one. There's the second one. All right, if there's any issues with them, like maybe you need to change the border, it didn't get everything that you wanted, you can move these. It's hard to see on here, but these are kind of like a tealy green box that you're going to move. So you can move those. Once you're happy with it, if you hit the green check sign down here at the bottom, all right, it converts those, you can see, to nice black and white photos for you. Now here's the way, this is one way you can do it to be able to upload it so you can put it in Canvas. If you click share down here at the bottom, you click send to a PC, all right, and it gives you two steps. It says turn on the computer. The browser input is d.cscan.co. So I'm going to go to that site. So here we are, d.cscan, or you can see it .co. Now, I'm using my phone now. I'm going to use my phone and scan this QR code that you see on the screen. And when I do that, there is my document. I can open it, I can print it, I can download it. That's what we got to work on. All right. Right now, Zscaler is blocking it, but we're going to hopefully get it fixed so that it'll work. But once you get it working, you'll be able to just download it straight from there. And it's coming up slowly. And you can see that is a really nice picture of that document. So think about some of the pictures you guys have already submitted to me. Does it look that clear? Probably not. Okay, so I would suggest you either download Cam Scanner or Genius Scan to be able to see these documents and get good scans of them that I can read. Right, I'm going to show you, let me get this back up. Now I'm going to show you what it would look like if you did it in Genius Scan. So here's my Genius Scan app. You can tell I've been scanning a lot of things. I'm going to go down here to the orange plus sign. All right, brings up my camera. Right, I'm going to pull out my document that I want to scan. So it's the same sheet that I was just working on. I know you can't see me doing this, but I'm taking a scan of that sheet with my phone. And then I flip the page because there was 2 pages to it. And I scanned that picture. And now that I've done both of them, I'm going to click done. And as you can see, these are currently photos, and then there's like all this space and stuff around the outside I don't want all that stuff in my picture. So if I come down here to the magic wand, I can select recrop, and I can adjust that orange box around what I want it to scan. When I'm happy with it, I can click done. It's still got it as a picture, but I want it to be black and white, so I can go to filters and click black and white. I can do the same thing for the other one. I can edit it, recrop it. I want to get rid of all this black background and stuff. I just want that page. So I edited my little orange box, click done. I'm going to go to filters. Change it to black and white. And I'm done with what I want to do with it. I'm going to come down here in the corner where it has the box with the up arrow. Now, this is where you also, if you're going to use Genius Scan, you can email it to yourself. Right? I don't have email set up on my phone, so that's not the way that I'm going to do it. I have the Google Drive app on my phone, so that's what I'm going to use. So if I click other apps, I'm going to go find the Drive app. Right, I've got 2 different accounts here. I'm going to go with my school one. Right, I'm going to rename this Practice Homework Scan, so I know what it is. Not scan. So I've got my Google Drive selected for school. I'm going to select the folder. I want it to go in my drive here. Right, wherever I want it to go. You could select a folder if you wanted to. I'll click save here. Click upload. All right, and it's good to go. So now I'm going to pull up my Google Drive and I'll show you that it went through. Here I am on my Chrome or on my laptop or your Chromebook. I'm in my Google Drive. Come on. Right, there it goes. So I'm going to go to recent. That'll get me what I've most recently done in Google Drive, which that was upload that document. All right. And look right there, homework, practice homework scan. And there I go. I've got it all in one document. And look how pretty that is.